When using an intelligent flight battery, it is important to carefully inspect its appearance and interface. Avoid using batteries that are bulging, deformed, or have a blackened connector. If the battery connector is blackened, it is recommended to use a cotton swab dipped in alcohol to gently wipe it clean. Please check the battery voltage difference and the number of battery cycles via remote controller. The standard cell voltage difference of the battery should be within 0.05 V. If the battery voltage difference is too large, the operation should be stopped. In addition to checking the battery voltage difference, it is also important to monitor the number of battery cycles. The figure shows the normal number of battery cycles under normal circumstances. If the battery cycles are high, then the agricultural drone's load needs to be reduced for proper operations. During summer operations, it is important to address the issue of high temperature in the battery after a flight. To effectively dissipate the heat, it is recommended to utilize an air-cooled heat sink or third-party cooling equipment. It is strictly prohibited to use water as a cooling method for the battery, as this can lead to inconsistent aging of different internal components. Consequently, water-cooled heat dissipation can significantly impact the battery's overall lifespan. In the event that the battery is utilized in a humid environment, there is a possibility of water droplets condensing inside it. To address this issue, you can unscrew the drain screw located at the bottom of the smart battery. Subsequently, it is advisable to relocate the battery to a dry environment, allowing the inside of the battery to dry out completely. Once the drying process is complete, securely screw the drain screw back into place.